Hi guys, welcome to my channel Retro Quiz. Welcome to our quiz about retro cars. You'll test your knowledge of iconic models that defined an era. Rules. You'll see a picture of a classic car and 4 answer options. Only one answer is correct, and each correct answer gives you 1 point. Try to get the perfect score of 10 points. Ready? Let's go.
Question 1. Which Italian luxury car rivaled Ferrari in exclusivity? A. 1955, Ciata 208 CS, B. 1957, Bandini 750 Sport, Siluro, C. 1954, Cisitalia 33 DF Floridente, D. 1959, Moretti 1200 Gran Turismo. Correct answer, C. 1954 33D, F. Floridente. Fun fact, the Cisitalia 33D F. Floridente was a rare and stylish masterpiece. With its advanced engineering and beautiful design, it became a symbol of Italian automotive artistry. Still haven't subscribed? What, you want the channel to stay without 1,000 subscribers? Subscribe and join our car lovers team? I promise. It's fun here, and there's always something new. Question 2. Which German car had a rear engine layout with coupe styling? A. 1954, Gutbrod Superior. B. 1956, Borgward Isabella TS Coupe. C. 1955, Zundap Janus. D. 1953, Romech Bisco. Correct answer, B. 1956, Borgward Isabella TS Coupe. Fun fact, the Isabella TS Coupe was a stunning mix of luxury and performance, making it one of the most beautiful German cars of the 1950s. Question 3. Which American car started the quad headlight trend? A. 1958, Edsel Citation. B. 1957, Mercury Turnpike Cruiser. C. 1959 DeSoto Fireflite. D. 1956 Lincoln Premier. Correct answer, C. 1959 DeSoto Fireflite. Fun fact, the Fireflite featured bold styling with dual headlight clusters and fins, symbolizing the futuristic design ethos of the late 1950s. Question 4. Which French car was known for affordability and rear-engine design? A. 1953, Renault Colorale Prairie. B. 1956, Nash Rambler Palm Beach. C. 1955, Simca Vedette Trianon. D. 1952, Jewel 6 CV. Correct answer, B. 1956, Nash Rambler Palm Beach. Fun fact, this concept car by Nash showcased an elegant design and was a precursor to modern compact cars. Its innovative styling and lightweight construction made it stand out. Question 5. Which British car was loved by racers for its light design? A. 1952, Fraser Nash Le Mans Replica. B. 1957, Peerless GT. C. 1954, Tojero MG. D. 1955, Fairthorpe Adam. Correct answer, B. 1957 Peerless GT. Fun fact, the Peerless GT was a fiberglass-bodied British sports car that combined lightweight construction with a Triumph TR3 engine, offering excellent performance and handling. Question 6. Which American car pioneered fiberglass construction? A. 1953, Woodhill Wildfire. B. 1956, Nash Rambler Palm Beach. C. 1955, Ladari Conquest. D. 1952, Glasspar G2. Correct answer, a 1953 Woodill Wildfire. Fun fact: the Woodill Wildfire was one of the first American sports cars to feature a fiberglass body, paving the way for models like the Chevrolet Corvette. Question 7. Which Italian car was designed for touring? A. 1955. Fiat 8, Vive Demon Rouge. B. 1957 OSI 1200S Coupe. C. 1956 Maserati, a 6G 2000 Alemano. D. 1958 Lancia Appia GT Zagato. Correct answer, D. 1958 Lancia Appia GT Zagato. Fun fact: the Appia GT Zagato combined lightweight design with exceptional aerodynamics, becoming a favorite for endurance racing. Question 8. Which German microcar took a minimalist approach? A. 1957 Fulda-Mobile S7. B. 1956 Heinkel Cabine 153. C. 1954 Spatz 200. D. 1958 Zundup Sport Combi. Correct answer, a 1957 Fulda-Mobile S7. Fun fact: the Fulda-Mobile was known for its three-wheel design and simple construction, making it one of the most unique microcars of the post-war period. Question 9. Which French car featured a hydro-pneumatic suspension? A. 1958 Vauxhall Vega Excellence. B. 1955 Hotchkiss Grégoire Lux. C. 1954 Citroën Traction Avant 15 H. D. 1957 Panhard Monopole X88. Correct answer, C. 1954 Citroën Traction Avant 15H. Fun fact: the Traction Avant 15H was an experimental luxury sedan that tested the hydro-pneumatic suspension system later used in the iconic DS. Question 10. Which American luxury car was built by a small manufacturer? A. 1955 Gaylord Gladiator. B. 1954 Kaiser Darren 161. C. 1957 Dual Gear Convertible. D. 1953 Cunningham C3. Correct answer, D. 1953 Cunningham C3. Fun fact: the Cunningham C3 was a luxurious, hand-built sports car powered by a Chrysler V8. Its combination of American power and European style made it highly coveted.
Results: 10 points. Incredible. You're a true car expert. 8 to 9 points. Great job. You know your rare cars well. 5 to 7 points. Not bad. Keep learning more about the classics. 1 to 4 points. Good attempt. There's always room to improve. 0 points. Don't worry, try again.